Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, sorry for the inconvenience. For the past 1 month, I couldn't post a video because of my personal issue. I didn't post any videos. So without any further delay, let's go to the topic. The topic today is things we should know before investing. Yes, we all know about investing. So these are the things you should keep in mind before investing. So without any further delay, let's go with me. So the first thing is don't expect immediate return in case of investing. Yes, please don't expect in case of immediate return because you cannot stop the nature. There may be a chance of production stoppage in case of any natural disaster that has been happened near the production unit, so that the stock price may be fall due to improper production, or also there may be a chance of bankrupt maybe happen for the company you have been invested, or else like that there are many circumstances that the company may be fall, and also you cannot stop the natural, like you in case of corona itself, corona pandemic, so the stock price has been gone down to a lower price than we expected. So don't ever try to expect immediate return in case of investing, or also in case of life itself. Nothing comes worth easy. That is, if you got something without any hard work or without any effort towards the work or towards the reward, so it not make worth sense in your mind. So don't ever expect immediate return in case of investing. The second thing is greed will definitely destroy your deal. Yes, not only in stock market or money, in life also, don't be so greedy towards what you're aiming. Like I give a practical example I have seen in my life. There is a person in my life, there is a person who invested in a stock for a particular price of 250, and he expected that the return will go to 350 so that he can make a profit of 100. But somehow it reached 350, 352, 350, $400. So he had a mindset that we can hold the stock and let the stock price be 400, 450, and then we can sell. We can get a double profit, right? He expected only 100 rupees of profit, so that he had agreed that he can get an extra 100 rupees of profit, so that he can gain a rupees of 200, then 100, and getting 100, getting 100, and 200, getting 200, then 100. So he's waiting for the stock price to move up to 350, and he went to 350, 354. He became happy, so that the stock price he thinks that the stock price will move to 400 or 450. But somehow that there may be suit or something has happened to the company, so the investors have decided to sell the stock, so the stock price can fall into 150. So he lost the sum of 100, he lost the sum of profit of 100, but also he lost the whole amount, and the stock price has moved to 150. So in this point, I want to clearly mention you that don't be greedy in case of your investment. If you fix it a sum of profit, so that 150, or if you fix a sum of profit, so that you can, if you got the profit, come on, let's sell the shares or sell anything, or anything. Even in case of life, even in life, if you got something, let it leave. Don't expect high thing in your life, high thing what you are gaining. So I want to tell you that don't be so greedy towards what you're thinking. So greed will definitely destroy your life, but also in investing too. The third thing is keep your emotions away in investing. Yes, there may be a chance of people having highly emotional towards the money that you invested. If the stock price becomes low, or the mutual funds get into a loss, they will create the feeling that why should I invest my money because of getting losses. Whether I can save the money itself, I can get rid of the word of loss. It's loss known. So please don't think like that. Keep your emotions away in case of investing. There may be a loss, there may be failure in life and money also. So don't ever think that I'm losing. So please keep your emotions away. If you're thinking that I'm failing, not you're failing, you are just trying. You are becoming a master, you are excelling yourself in the thing. So keep your emotions away before investing in something, in case of money or anything in your life. So keep your emotions away. If you have a mindset of controlling your mind and your body, you will definitely succeed in your life. The fourth thing is start from root, not fruit. Yes, before investing your money, or before entering something, or making excelling your life, or something, learning a new skill, anything in your life, so start from root, start from foundation, or start from the basics. Only then you will have a strong foundation. Even in building, the strong foundation is the most important factor, right? So excel yourself in case of basics, what you're learning. It's not only in investing, in case of your life, or if you're learning a new skill, so start investing in the root of what you're learning. Either it may be a stock, or a particular stock, or if you are willing to invest in a particular scheme in your mutual fund, start from basics. Learn what are the basic things you can gain, or collect information about the mutual funds or the stock what you're investing. Only then you can succeed in your life, and also only then you can investing capability, what you're gaining or what you're learning should be in the high, if you are starting from the basics of root. So start from root, not fruit. So the last thing is excel yourself and become a master. Yes, this is the thing, the foremost thing every person must keep in their mind. Yes, what you're saying, why should I excel myself and become a master? Yes, you should, because only then you have a proper progressive life. Whether I can say an example, whether the helicopter shot by Dhoni is perfect in a single second what he have made, or the flick Virat Kohli played is just it's one day shot. No, he's been practicing for a long to get a perfect flick. What Virat Kohli does in every match, everything we enjoy. As everything, even the helicopter shot has been Dhoni has been practicing for a months, years to get a perfect master in the helicopter shot. What we are enjoying from Dhoni, Kohli, like that. So, in case of study also, if your max teacher has been teaching us some, we get learn from the some. We had a mindset that yes, our teacher has been worked out, so that we all think so. This okay, like that we can do some. It does not give you progress or become a master. If you are practicing the sum only, then you create a new ideas and innovative things so that you can make the sum more easy than what the teacher does in the class, so that you can teach your friends in an easy way. If you keep on practicing something what you are willing, you will become a master. Yes, so keep in mind, in case of investing also, you should keep in mind, invest yourself, invest your money, or you'll fail, definitely you will fail. Yes, don't think as a failing or getting a loss is a last failure. You are being pushed up. It is the starting point. It is the sign that you are trying for your success or a profit or a success or a win. So excel yourself and become a master. So these are the 5 things you should know before investing. So please follow. It is all my opinion about investing, though it is not any said by scholars or teachers or lecturers or any YouTube channel creators or no. It's all in my point of view. I am saying these things. Even I am following these things. I am just delivering the things. Just I am following to make yourself clear picture about invest. Make yourself to know the clear picture about investing in my point of view. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box so that I can clear doubts. If you want to make any further topics, if you want to make any videos on the further topic, you can also make the comment on the video so that I can make videos on that. So don't worry, let's go with me.